In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to install OBS Studio's 2019. Let's get right into it. Alright, so to start off, you're going to want to go ahead and head to the first link in the description down below, and once you're there, you're going to be greeted with a page similar to this, and you're going to want to go ahead and choose the operating system that you're using. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click Windows. If you're using Mac or Linux, you can click those appropriate buttons, and once you do that, you'll be greeted with an installation file. I went ahead and just already downloaded, so then you guys don't have to sit through the whole download process, so just for the sake of the video. But for whatever reason, if it doesn't show up in the left hand corner, go ahead and go to your downloads folder. So I'll show you guys my downloads folder just so you can go ahead and see it. So as you can see here, downloads folder, my file for the OBS Studio installer is right here, so I'm going to go ahead and double click it. And in this case, there's going to be like a pop-up saying, do you want to allow this program to install stuff, and you can click yes. It's just basically saying it's going to install the program, so just don't worry about it, just go ahead and click yes, then click next. I agree. If you have a place that you want to save this file or like save this program, you can go ahead and choose that. In my case, I'm just going to leave it the way it is because that's the optimal settings for me. For most people, that should be the case, so just go ahead and click next, and then click install. Alright, a couple minutes later, we are greeted with this page right here, or this window. You can go ahead and click finish. Make sure that the launch OBS Studio 22.0.2 or whatever version it's most current is checked, and go ahead and click finish, and then give it a second as it starts to load up. And as you can see here, we have OBS Studio loaded up. If you guys are interested in more of these type of videos where I talk to you guys how to, or teach you guys how to stream on YouTube, on Twitch, the best settings for this, the best settings for streaming, best recording settings, etc. I do more videos. I will be doing a lot more, so I recommend you guys subscribe if you guys are interested. I also have a giveaway going on, which is in the description down below. It's the second link or third link, and it should be about Fortnite V-Bucks. I'm actually doing a small giveaway just to give away, and so feel free to enter that if you're interested. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Goodbye.